Hello, everyone. Let's learn the shortcut keys of the software. Let's learn the first shortcut, F9. We see the bottom right corner. Here's a hint. F9 is the automatic arrangement of our pieces. We order the clothes. Let's drag it away. When we were shuffling our clothes, click F9. It will arrange the pieces neatly. The next tool is called the shortcut key for generating processes. When our words or when there's no writing on the clothes, in the absence of, so let's hit F6. When I hit F6, it might show the text. Like no writing on the sleeve, clicking on the correct text will reveal it. And then we look at the next shortcut, the space bar on our keyboard. It's the reuse of our tools. When we want to cut a garment, look at the cutting tool we lit up there. I'm going to cut it from here to here. Okay, if we're going to use this tool, we can hit the space bar. It can switch to this tool that we have here. And then we go from point to point at this point. You see, you can make this cut. It's a reuse of tools. It's the space bar. The next tool, it's the key on our keyboard. You can type only a button. It is used in English. When we press the key, it can change an area of our clothing. Local amplification. You see we're facing this position, then press A. It magnifies the area. It's easy for us to find the points in here. You see, it's very convenient. That's what we use in the software. The shortcut key. Then, let's talk about an operation of this mouse. Mouse operation. Above the mouse. Mouse ball when the wheel rolls. I'm going to zoom in and out of this canvas. You can see where we're facing. He's going to roll out of any position. Roll down. And then this line is the print line. This line. Try to keep our clothes within this print line. Before you can print, do not go beyond this bit range. We can make the text smaller. Turn it down. This is our mouse wheel. The roller can also be pressed down. Press down to zoom in. This position is zoomed in. The rolling of the wheel. Then we left the mouse button. You can drag this piece. The left mouse button can drag the text on the film. If I hit this point, I can drag this point in the middle. And then the words click on the words. You can drag. And then the right mouse button is drag against the canvas. The right mouse button is used to drag the canvas. This is from our software.